in Lila's good health, Dustin was always working out. He was always in the gym.
Yeah, I've always been active. I played tennis, I played baseball, CrossFit, and endurance racing.
And then you injured your shoulder.
It was a pain I had never felt before. What I found out it was part of my tendon tearing.
And what was that like for you when you got injured?
After so many years of going in and having a routine and working out and seeing the same people and all your friends are there, and then the next thing you know, you're sitting at home on the couch, that's just, it's painful. It's painful here and it's painful here.
You actually went with the team at Trinity.
From my first face-to-face consultation with Dr. Mlynarek, the stars aligned. The team was great, from check-in to getting prepared, one more x-ray, and then consultation with Dr. Mlynarek. It's a well-oiled machine. What impressed me the most about Dr. Mlynarek decision for treatment was that he said, look, I understand you. I understand your mentality. I understand who you are. And if I had this problem, this is what I would do for me. And that was another decision to say, okay, yes, it's this guy. I've got to work with this guy.
So if somebody else needed surgery on their shoulder?
Go see the group at Trinity Health. Go see Dr. Mlynarek, and don't go see anybody else. That's the team to go. For the athletes, go see them.
Get back to your workout. Connect with a Trinity Health surgeon today.
Learn more at trinityhealthmi.org/ortho.